Hey guys, this is Seth from the Mustang Evolution forum. I'm going to be demonstrating how to take your headlight out and also take the bulbs out. I'm switching them in with these white lights. And that sounds like Muncie's here. Shit. Somebody got a text message. Anyway, start off. I was told to recommend put a towel under there, but there's no way in hell I can squeeze a towel under there.
Dad would be upset.
Oh, fuck him right now. So first, you got these little latches right here. All you do is you pull these guys up. Just like that. Then this just comes forward, give it a little shake. Slightly. The whole thing should just pop out. There. They're a little harder to get out. There we go. So you bring it over here. So this right here connects to the actual bulb. You want to pull this. See it right here? You're going to pull this part off, and then on the side over here, the other blinker, it's got a little latch there. My top one broke off. Doesn't seem to really matter though. And then you just pull that apart. And there we go. So now the whole thing should just come right out. And lights that we got here. Look familiar, huh? You getting the idea how they go. You unscrew this part here. It should just come out like that, and then just pull, and there's the stock headlight. Let me put the other one in there. They got grooves on there, so they should just slide right in, just like that. Put that on there, give it a twist until it's tight on there, and make sure the little gray parts in there are lined up, well, not so much lined up, but right behind the black parts of this. And then that's it. And you just put everything back in there and it's all good. So normally I just go with putting this in first and then doing the other thing after. That's in there. And then that goes straight in there too. Just like that. And then you're done, make sure everything's connected. Then you just push it in there, slide it right in. And then you take these guys and you want to make them so they're like this, so they're outward like that when you put them in. And they just should slide right in the back there. You just push them down, it'll lock it in place. And that's how you do it. The other side's pretty self-explanatory. And after we get these in, we're going to see the big difference between this white light and the stock light, which should be really good. Okay.